Mainit na pinag-uusapan ngayon ang nasabi nga pong issue kung saan ay nasangkot ang pangalan ni Ivana Alawi. Ito'y sa di umano pag-amin ni Benitez sa asawa nito na si Ivana ay karelasyon nito. Nakalagay din sa vowsy sa reklamo ni Nikki Benitez ang pangalan ni Ivana Alawi at minensyon nito bilang mistress ng kanyang strange husband. Narito na nga ang naging pahayag ni Mayor na ngayon ay kongresista ng Bacolod na si Albi Benitez. Mula sa kanyang legal counsel, Statement of Attorney Peter Sanchez, Counsel for Mayor Alfredo Abelardo B. Benitez, R.E. Vowsy complaint filed by Dominic Lopez Benitez, May 29, 2025. Mayor Alfredo Abelardo Albi Benitez firmly denies the baseless and retaliatory allegations made against him by his estranged spouse under Republic Act No. 9262 or the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act for alleged economic and psychological abuse. This case was filed shortly after Mayor Benitez initiated annulment proceeding in 2024, raising serious doubts about the complainant's motives. The vowsy complaint hinges on allegations dating back as far as 21 years ago. Every property acquired during the marriage, including the multi-million peso residences in Forbes Park and Dasmariñas Village, was fully paid for by Mayor Benitez using his own resources, but titled in the name of the complainant, Dominic Lopez Benitez. This also includes high-value assets such as condominium units, luxury vehicles, and a substantial amount of publicly listed shares, all of which were funded by Mayor Benitez but registered under her name. Despite a judicial dissolution of their property regime in 2004, Mayor Benitez continued to provide not just ordinary support but a high standard of living, shouldering personal household and even extended family expenses for more than 2 decades. This included the complainant's travel, business ventures staff, and credit card charges, even long after their separation. It is equally unsettling that a third party has been unnecessarily dragged into this private matter. The mention of individual unrelated to the merits of the case only serves to divert attention and inflame public sentiments in the complainant's favor. Section 44 of RA 9262 explicitly mandates the confidentiality of all proceedings and partners involved. The unwanted or unwarranted disclosure of identities and unverified claims constitute a clear violation of this provision. Mayor Benitez remains fully cooperative with all legal processes and is confident that the evidence, financial record, property documents, and testimonies will disprove these false and vindictive claims. We respectfully ask the public and the media to allow the legal system to take its course and to refrain from the unethical practice of sensationalizing this case. Attorney Peter Sanchez.